RAM, random access memory, is a type of computer memory that is used to temporarily store data and instructions that the computer is currently using. It is sometimes referred to as the computer's working memory because it stores data that is being actively accessed by the CPU, central processing unit. The data in RAM can be quickly accessed and modified, making it ideal for frequently used programs and data. However, RAM is a volatile form of memory, which means that it only stores data as long as the computer is powered on. Once the power is turned off, any data stored in RAM is lost. RAM is an important component of a computer's performance, as it affects how quickly programs can run and how many programs can be run simultaneously. The more RAM a computer has, the more data it can store and the faster it can access that data. RAM is a type of semiconductor memory that is typically made up of small, integrated circuits called memory chips. These chips are organized into modules that can be installed on a computer's motherboard or added to a laptop or desktop computer as an expansion card. The amount of RAM that a computer has can range from a few gigabytes to several hundred gigabytes or even terabytes in high-performance computing systems. RAM is typically measured in gigabytes, GB, or megabytes, MB, and the speed of RAM is measured in megahertz, or gigahertz. RAM can be further classified into two main types: DRAM, dynamic random access memory, and SRAM, static random access memory. DRAM is the most common type of RAM used in modern computers, and it is used to store data that needs to be accessed frequently by the CPU. SRAM, on the other hand, is faster than DRAM but also more expensive, and it is typically used in cache memory. In addition to the amount and speed of RAM, the type of RAM that a computer uses is also important. The most common types of RAM include DDR, double data rate, DDR2, DDR3, and DDR4. Each new generation of RAM typically provides faster speeds and higher capacities than the previous generation. Upgrading a computer's RAM can be an effective way to improve its performance, especially if the computer is running memory-intensive applications such as video editing software or virtual machines. However, it's important to ensure that the new RAM is compatible with the computer's motherboard and that the computer's power supply is sufficient to support the additional memory. The capacity of RAM varies depending on the type of computer and its intended use. RAM capacity is typically measured in gigabytes, GB, and can range from just a few gigabytes in some low-end laptops and desktops to hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes in high-performance computing systems. For most general-purpose laptops and desktops, 4 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes of RAM is sufficient for everyday use, such as web browsing, email, and basic productivity applications. However, for more demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, or running virtual machines, 32 gigabytes or more of RAM may be necessary to ensure smooth performance. Servers and workstations that are used for data-intensive tasks such as scientific computing or data analytics often require even larger amounts of RAM. Some high-end servers and workstations can support hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes of RAM, which can be used to speed up complex calculations and data processing. It's important to note that the amount of RAM a computer can support depends on the computer's hardware, including the motherboard and the CPU. Before upgrading the RAM in a computer, it's important to check the computer's documentation to ensure that the new RAM is compatible with the existing hardware. Thank you for taking the time to watch and engage with my content on YouTube. Your views, comments, and likes mean the world to me, and they inspire me to continue creating and sharing more content that I hope you'll enjoy. Your feedback and suggestions have helped me grow as a content creator, and I am grateful for every one of you who has subscribed to my channel and shared my videos with others. Thank you.